Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and you're getting a 5-2 error on the display, or if you don't have a digital display, you might be getting 5 blinks and then a 2-second pause and then 2 blinks. So this is how they make the 5-2 error on the non-digital display. And this error is basically that it detects that the door has not opened when it should. So basically, like if you run a cycle and then when it's done, you open it, you empty the dishes, you load it back up, and you close the door, and then you run a new cycle. So if the dishwasher doesn't detect that open and close, it won't let you just start a new cycle. So it won't let you start a second cycle. Once one cycle is done, it won't let you start a new one until you've opened and closed the door. So it might just be an issue with that. You haven't opened and closed the door yet. Or there might be an issue with it detecting that the door has been opened and closed. You know, one of the things you can do is just turn the dishwasher completely off and disconnect it from power, then reconnect it from power, and that'll make it forget that the door was supposed to be open, and then you should be able to get it going again. But if the problem keeps recurring, then you might have an issue with some of the electronics within the door, and you might actually just have to replace the door or replace some of the electronics within the door. But hopefully one of the earlier fixes is all you need. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.